Thinking about moving abroad in 2025? It's exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. Rent, visas, hidden fees, culture shocks. If you're not prepared, the dream can quickly turn into stress. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete relocation roadmap, from what to do months before you move, to your first week abroad, to the challenges and opportunities of long-term expat life. This isn't just about one city. These steps apply wherever you're moving, whether it's across the border or across the world. Let's get started. Step 1 is pre-move planning. Research neighborhoods, think about safety, commute, cost, and lifestyle. Some areas are cheaper, but they come with longer travel times or fewer amenities. Budget realistically, don't just add rent and groceries. Include hidden fees, deposits, local taxes, one-time setup costs, and even healthcare or insurance. Save a financial buffer, at least 2 to 3 months of living expenses. Moving is unpredictable, and this cushion will save you from panic. Scan all your documents, passports, visas, contracts, and keep digital copies. Learn basic local phrases. Even if the city speaks your language, small cultural differences in communication go a long way. Documents are the backbone of your move. Visa applications, work permits, residency papers, health insurance. These take longer than expected. Start early. Pro tip: keep multiple copies, both printed and digital. Losing a single paper shouldn't derail your entire relocation. In most countries, paperwork is what opens doors to banking, housing, healthcare, even SIM cards. Next, the cost of living. Every city has different numbers, but the categories are the same everywhere. Rent, usually your biggest expense. Transport, public transit, gas, or ride-sharing. Groceries, they vary more than you think depending on local imports. Eating out, cafes and restaurants add up fast. Extras, gym, subscriptions, entertainment. And don't forget hidden fees. Security deposits, local taxes, utilities, or mandatory registrations. Always budget higher than you think you'll need. Cities almost always cost more than newcomers expect. Your first week abroad sets the tone for your entire relocation. Here's what to do. Get a local SIM card. Roaming will drain your money fast. Sort transport metro passes, bus cards, or local ride apps. Open a local bank account. Avoid 5 to 7% fees every time you swipe your foreign card. Explore your neighborhood. Find groceries, pharmacies, clinics, and transport hubs. These steps make a new city feel like home quickly. Here are the biggest mistakes expats make. Underestimating hidden costs, deposits, setup fees, and taxes. Choosing the wrong neighborhood. Cheaper rent can mean hours lost commuting. Ignoring paperwork deadlines. Fines and delays are common if you wait. Not networking early. Loneliness is real, and it hits fast if you don't build connections. Only socializing with expats. It feels safe, but it slows your adaptation to the local culture. Every country comes with culture shock. Language differences, even small slang, can feel confusing. The pace of life may be faster or slower than you're used to. Food habits and social customs might surprise you. Rules and laws can feel strict or unusual compared to your home country. Culture shock is normal. The key is to stay open, curious, and patient with yourself. Relocation isn't just about surviving. It's about thriving. Build a community, join local meetups, sports clubs, or co-working spaces. Manage your finances. Learn about taxes, savings, and investments in your new country. Stay balanced. Keep ties with home, but immerse yourself in your new culture. Keep learning. From the language to local traditions. The more you adapt, the richer your experience. Relocating in 2025 is more than a move. It's a transformation. Yes, there will be costs, paperwork, and culture shocks, but there will also be growth, opportunities, and experiences that change your life forever. Comment below. Where are you moving in 2025? And if you want detailed relocation checklists, cost trackers, and planning tools, I've built them inside Relocate-Z to make your journey smoother. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your move abroad.